Hey there, welcome back to the Nauctis on YouTube. Standing tall at 597 feet, the Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue, a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, an Indian independence leader and politician known as the Iron Man of India. The statue is perched on solid rock on the banks of the Narmada River in Gujarat, India. It's located 56 miles south of Vadodara city and roughly 1.8 miles downstream from the Sardar Sarovar Dam, one of India's largest dams, providing water and electricity to millions. Building this colossal monument required extraordinary planning, design, and construction engineering. Let's explore the process of its construction. The Statue of Unity was designed by Indian sculptor Ram V. Suter, who created a bronze-clad model based on photos and videos of Patel. It stands 597 feet tall, almost twice the height of the Statue of Liberty in New York. Suter is one of India's leading sculptors known for his ability to create large-scale public monuments. There are several reasons why Suter was chosen to design. Suter has experience creating 50 public statues worldwide. His works always receive praise for their accuracy in depicting the subject and dedication to detail. Suter is known for his realistic approach. His statues not only portray the physical intricacies of their subjects, but also try to capture their essence and spirit. This is considered vital in depicting someone like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who has deep significance for India's history and culture. Constructing the Unity statue was a complex and challenging task, involving thousands of workers and engineers. The construction process took about 4 years to complete, from 2014 to 2018. For access to the island, 2 ways are available. Mainly, a stone bridge was built at normal flood level, and then a Bailey bridge was built above high flood level. The Bailey bridge has 2 lanes, one for vehicle and material movement, and one for worker access. The statue has a composite core structure, consisting of 2 semi-elliptical reinforced concrete cores supporting the steel frame and bronze panels. The concrete core was constructed using slip-form technique, involving continuous casting of concrete into moving formwork. The core has a diameter of 21 feet at the bottom and 11.8 feet at the top. The steel frame was made by Tata Steel and Sale and shipped to India in parts. This steel frame consists of 7,150 tons of structural steel and 3,968 tons of bronze cladding. Then the bronze panels were cast in China using the lost wax technique, involving creating wax models of the panels, coating them with ceramic material, melting the wax, and pouring molten bronze into the cavity. These panels have a thickness of 0.2 to 0.7 inches and weigh about 661 pounds each. Then the panels were attached to the steel frame using bolts and welding. The panels have a 0.2-inch gap between them to accommodate thermal expansion and contraction. The construction sequence is as follows. The hill's fracture plane was treated through grout injection and grouted anchor rods. Then the hill was compacted to build the mat foundation. After that, the raft foundation was cast. Then W360 shaped structural steel was embedded in the composite core wall. The W360 shaped structural steel was then connected with internal clamps of 150 mm by 150 mm angle. After the structural steel was erected 16 to 33 feet above the foundation, the core casting process began. Next, the structural steel grid frame was erected from the concrete core. For this, the W360 shaped steel was welded in the shop with internal steel shapes in the core. Internal steel work continued, followed by core casting. After that, bronze-clad panels were connected to the grid frame. For this purpose, the outer part of the structural grid frame was welded to the steel subframe. This subframe was connected to the clad panels to support the cladding system's weight and withstand earthquake and wind forces. Moreover, the clad panels were designed to have overlapping panels, allowing vertical and horizontal panel movement. Then the above process was repeated until the statue's completion. The statue has a base functioning as a podium, housing a museum, exhibition hall, audio-visual gallery, and viewing gallery. This base is made of reinforced concrete and is 82 feet tall. The statue also has an elevator system that can take visitors to the viewing gallery at a height of 502 feet, offering a panoramic view of the surroundings. The statue is designed to withstand wind speeds up to 112 miles per hour, and earthquakes up to a magnitude of 6.5, 7.5 miles from the statue's center. The concrete core construction began in December 2015 and was completed in October 2017. Then the steel frame construction began in November 2017 and was completed in June 2018. The bronze panel construction began in July 2018 and was completed in October 2018. The statue's base construction began in January 2016 and was completed in September 2018. The elevator system construction began in July 2018 and was completed in October 2018. And finally, the statue was inaugurated on October 31, 2018, coinciding with Patel's 143rd birthday. Some interesting features of this statue include it being the world's first walking statue, with a gap between the two legs of 21 feet. The expression of the statue is calm and confident, with an erect head and arms by its side, reflecting Patel's strength and warmth. The statue has an LED lighting system that can change the statue's color according to mood or special occasion, and also has a vibration monitoring system that can detect movement or structural damage on the statue due to earthquakes, as it is located in Seismic Zone 3 on the Seismic Zone map of India. The cost to build the world's tallest statue was about $400 million to $450 million, using 77,161 tons of cement, 27,558 tons of steel, and 12,000 bronze panels, each weighing over 3,748 tons. Certainly, the statue will undergo natural aging, causing its original bronze color to turn green in about 100 years. This color change is not uncommon. Because of oxidation, the Statue of Liberty initially had a dull brown color that turned green in about 30 years. So that's the story behind the Statue of Unity, a symbol of pride and unity for India. Through a combination of pure art and advanced engineering, this statue will stand tall for centuries as a reminder of India's legacy and strength. That wraps up today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. Catch you in the next one.